Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to install Rustdesk on Windows. So to grab it, just use any browser that you want, any browser of your choosing, and type in Rustdesk on your search. Then just navigate to it. This is the official website. Do not go to any third-party websites. Okay, they even say the warning here, you might be scammed. If you are on the phone with someone, as you can see, do not pay. And if you're being called, just hang up immediately. Now, in order to download, press this download button. Okay, you'll be redirected to GitHub and get the latest version. So let me see, Windows exe. Make sure to grab your for the proper architecture, and to make sure to grab one for the proper architecture. Then run the installer, guys. Let me see. There you go. And you can also press install. This will install it to your system. If you don't want to install, you can just use this kind of a portable version of it, I guess. And yeah, just use it like this. Enjoy, and if this was helpful, as always, subscribe.